Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and today I'm going to be creating 3 looks with the Kaleidos Flower Punk eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like right here. I did get this sent in PR from Kaleidos, so thank you so much to Kaleidos. I was really excited for this palette because once again, the packaging is so stunning. They always kill it with the theme and everything around it. They just really invest themselves in the details. So this is the packaging. I will show you some close-ups. Now this color story is definitely interesting. I think it's a really nice pairing. And while of course I see the resemblance between this palette and some melt palettes, I don't think that it's a bad thing for Kaleidos to do different types of palette packaging. Like, I don't think they need to stick to something forever. I really actually like this, and I think I prefer this because it's so sleek and it's really just easily stored, and it's not too heavy and too bulky. It just has a nice weight to it. It feels like nice and high quality, and I do really like the longer pants, and overall I really do like this. And I like that you can take off this portion. I'm never going to use this mirror, but it's there. But I really enjoy it. I like the way that this is laid out. So let's get right into the 3 looks, and then I'll give you some of my first impression thoughts at the end of the video. Prime it with the Be Perfect primer, and I do like to set this one just a little bit. Starting out with Nouveau on the outer corner. I definitely think that this palette is not quite, does not have enough depth for me. I'm gonna make that like a almost wing shape. I just wish this was like a little bit deeper. The peach soju, and blend it into that. And I'm gonna take it a little bit like halfway into my crease. And then for the inner portion, I'm gonna put chlorophyll. I think I'm actually gonna bring the pink a little bit further in, but we definitely don't really want these mixing, so going in with the J-Cat glitter primer. I'm just tapping it pretty much all over, taking stained glass and putting that right over that. And then Sun Gazer, just layering it over that green. This one's definitely a little flaky. And again, setting the Be Perfect primer just a little bit on, going in with Earthship on the outer corner. I think I'm just gonna kind of reflect what I did on the other side, on this side, but just with different colors. It's gonna be kind of like a two-tone look almost. I'm going to use Golden Age to help blend this out. Seems to be kind of sticking down. I need to grab a larger brush. Okay, trying another brush. I think this one's better. It covers a little bit more area. So I'm going to bring Golden Age to the inner portion of my lid. And then for this inner corner, I'm going to use Mint Fever. Looks a little funny, but I'm going to put the J-Cat glitter primer all over the lid. And going in with Sun Glazer over that. Then taking Aloe Cove, and that's going to be inner corner highlight. It doesn't want to layer on. I'll be going with my pinky. There we go. Finishing off this lower lash line with some Earthship and connecting it from the outer corner, and then Golden Age right next to it. Using Nouveau on this side to connect, and Peach Soju right here. So here's the first finished look. And here's the second finished look. Two looks So I've done these 2 looks with the palette, and I've also done one off camera. Just really wanted to play with it when I got it. And so the shimmers, once again, there's smash hits. They're really beautiful. They're definitely a little bit flaky, so you want to use some sort of a glitter primer or something tacky, because especially for me with hooded oily lids, it will just end up everywhere, all over my face. There can be some fallout when you're applying them as well. The mattes are really nice. From so far what I've tried, they feel right on par with the other Kaleidos mattes. However, I do wish there was a more depth in this palette. I do feel like this is probably meant to be more like a soft, heading into summer kind of palette with a little bit of a grunge twist, so I do understand that, but I am a sucker for deeper eyeshadows, and I just really want to be able to deepen out the outer corner. So because of that, I think I would have to reach into other palettes when I'm using this palette in the future. Like if there was just like one more shade that was just a little bit deeper than Nouveau and Earthship, that would be great. I love the tones on here. You do have to be pretty careful to not mix the pinks and the greens, because that will definitely muddy up. But I think you can get a really nice variety of looks with all of these different colors. But the shimmers are, of course, standouts to me, and they're really beautiful. They've got lots of dimension to them, and they've got that shine. Of course, you know I love my shine. So those are just some of my thoughts for creating 3 looks with it. So let me know in the comments below if you picked this palette up, or do you plan on it. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup, lots of shiny, sparkly, shifty eyeshadow content uploading my channel, and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.